Yeah, well, I don't know Shed Negus.
You don't know Shed Negus.
Been a girl since the days of a fetus.
Yeah.
All the girl them greet us when them see us and them need to. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
What me say?
Hey.
One nation and Imara nation.
What me say?
Hey. One nation and Imara nation. Big up the blood clot nation. Hey, 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 hey.
Short nigga, big walker.
Piss him off, I'm a shit talker.
She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga. Which daughter?
Flow stinker than shit water.
Leave him pissed when I shit on him.
Y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me.
Like, they switch. I went low key, came back and then changed the flavoration. Weed off the snakes, then my rise up Imara nation.
We got the nation.
It's what it is, I don't need to be around no waste man.
On waste man.
Let money stick to the plan.
Yeah.
What me say? Eagle. Remington. Them boy that don't have no relevance.
No relevance.
Them teeth my style and not tell me.
Not tell me, Tom.
Them teeth my style and not tell me. Eagle. Remington. Them boy that don't have no relevance. Them teeth my style and not tell me thanks. But what me do? Me down to earth like the Flintstone. Me down to earth like my big toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend no. Everything real deal from head to toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Yeah, me down to earth like the Flintstone. Javin to tell me if you watch my friend do. You lost straight up some corny niggas. You cannot hold back a flow, so nigga. The position that I'm in, the boss is in the position of how you don't want me in it. I couldn't tell me where you were talking minutes. Now your girl pennies, I'm all up in every bird turbulence. When I lounge, the mess up with this support, she saying her tongue, she's tickle. I got some for the strap, I could give her.
Where you figure?
Some weed that's a very good sex from a nigga.
Where is some good sex?
Like me that make between her legs run a river.
Run like river.
Before she get bent in pretzel positions.
If I know a pretzel that bend up, you know.
I got some for the strap, I could give her.
Like what?
Some weed that's a very good sex from a nigga. Like me that make between her legs run a river. Before she get bent in pretzel positions. Hey.
Run it again.
Short nigga, big walker, piss him off,
I'm a shit talker.
She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga.
Which daughter?
Flow stinker than shit water. Leave him pissed when I shit on him. Y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname
Nintendo, how they switched on me. Yo, what a time to be alive. What a blood clot time for be alive. Or some boy. You don't know say one nation and Imara nation, though. Me a big man around here. Me a little boy. You understand? Me a teenager. Me a just turn 20. What some little fool we run off them mouth. Want to try to get man page deleted. They run up in now on a mother. I want to know our kids. All on our kids. Delete which page? I want to know. We don't tell them already, you know. When you don't see the message on Instagram sending it all. We did not delete Instagram. Negusimara Instagram. Nothing on his page violate terms and conditions. But any day name day when I get it deleted, I got a job in real life. I don't eat off of Instagram. Do your worst. But me can tell you this. One thing you naga do, you naga silence the youth here. You want to fight, me go fight back. You understand? I mean, I talk about the fight you running a car, fight a little kids thing, you know. Oh, go and report this page. We're going to take this page down right now. He's saying some things that I don't like. We're going to delete this page. You know, waste people. I'm going to show you. You see, this is what I was talking about. Them thing are girl tactics. Try to get man page deleted. The minute the dog go live while the last video I put up about him did a premiere. See? Where him go do? Him go live. Then go in a him group. Yo, report that page. Send the link to my page. Oh, you get the link to my page, my G, and a block me. Would you look at that? Proving my point. Proving my point. Eh? Did trying to delete my page? Brother, social media thing, brother, me a big man, brother. Me a big man. You understand? And big man like me, I'm going tit for tat. I'm going tit for tat. You want to know why? Because more shown and say, yo, I can play kids game too. I can play kids game too. You're talking and going, oh, me never do nothing, you never do nothing. Me never do nothing with World Dog page or Able Boss page. But you send them to come to my page though. The minute you say it, me get the screenshot. You wonder how me get it so fast though. Ooh. Anyway, I never got long talking. I go straight into the blood clot message them. See first one, yeah? This is the first one, meticulously scrutinize it. Wait, say. The man send my link to my Instagram in a group page. After 876 tell him to lock the page, you know, cause I try mash up Able Boss page and World Dog page. 876 tell him say, yo, lock the group. Him never lock the group. Zine, watch you now. Wanna report this page. The dog them running. Be a running from my page. I say, but that's a look on my page. I refresh my page every time. I say so. I refresh my page. For see what I go on. Want to see what I go on. What you call it? Refresh. Next blood clot. Wait name the see it here? The dog literally I show them how to report my page. Zin? And what he's telling them to report my page for? Nudity and blues. You know blues you come on TV, a man and woman a diggy dagger. I say that P word there. Pornography. What does I say that? Pornography. Yeah, you still want to get that YouTube check, booby. You understand? What are them? I'm playing child's game. Tit for tat. I'm going to be the thorn in your side from now on. You understand? Because I don't want to delete my page. I'm not eat from Instagram. I'm telling that right. When I eat from Instagram, look how I'm clean. High fashion. Ambassador deal. What am I going to do? Talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all, youth. Then when I show them, if delete my page. Zane, next wait name there. Next, you call it screenshot. Somebody write us and say, yo, no bro, you can't use it for do them thing. It goes to show not everybody in your crew, you can brainwash. So you have some people who have sense in your crew. Them have sense. Them realize say you're too talented and you're too great for do them little foolishness here. Because really and truly, no cap. I don't know you, but I've seen your work already. You're very talented. You're one of the best talents who come out of Jamaica. I can tell you that. I'm not going to say I like you. I just don't like your ways. I don't know you not to like you. But what I see, I don't like your ways. You're a girl child. And the niggas you got around you, they want to be a part of what you got so bad that they will never tell you that you're wrong. This person right there, sir, utmost respect for that person right there, sir. And respect for the other people that when kick out of your crew because them tell us, say, yo, bro, you're wrong. Stop it, bro. You tell that little them for suck their mother. Just because them not agree with you. You want to run a dictatorship, my virgin. Wrong bang. Next blood clot screenshot. As your chat saw some get them. Next one. Watch all that biggie that gala. No, why? What you say? No, why them live by your name, sir? Them not have nothing else to do. No money to make. I don't get it. Let me tell you something, mama. Look at me. Talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all. Talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all. You see where I live? You see what I drive? Who you talking to? Let me see what you got. If you run behind a blood clot man, if you smell him blood clot poop, and him poop, you can smell if a rice and peas or white rice, him film Sunday dinner, dirty girl. You idiot? Next blood clot. Oh, go to know. The same brother we say, yo, no, bro, you can't use it for do them thing there. Where the man tell the man say, you want to go suck your mother too? How are you talking to your followers, the people them who support your content? How are you going to talk to them this way? Just because them now be a yes man and yes girl, you are telling them to suck them mother? The other rest, I want to not see them suck me. The minute you have something for disagree with that, I'm going to tell you about your mother. You understand? Anybody who me associate myself with, who no free for talk, who no want to talk, just be respectful about it. If I say, yo, Negus, you're wrong, tell me something wrong. I don't want nobody to come watch me act out and a spiral out of control, because that's what you're doing, my G. You spiraling out of control, my G. You're not seeing what you're doing. Everybody will wake up to your dirty ways now. You understand what I'm dealing? Everybody has to see your dirty ways now. You come on the premiere video, come talk about me vex because me and I want to uno. Me no want to be one of uno. Me I be one of me. Negusimara. And if you want to get technical, me have my own thing too. One nation and Imara nation. Let's just get that straight. Next screenshot. Report. Somebody write us up. Tavii, we follow them, bro. The more we move off of them, and the more we prove them point. As I say, I know everybody in your crew are idiot. Some of them have sense. Next, the man vex through you block him. What? Ask Tavi if I go on him. I never go on Tavi page yet. YouTube alone, me say Tavi pan. The reason why me know say Tavi block me is because Uno asks, yo, get Tavi side. I tried to do just that. You get black. But now blood clot dead. Y'all are weird. Next. See it now? We didn't remove Negusimara's account. Why? Due to the high volume of reports that we receive, our review team hasn't been able to view your report. However, our technology has found that this account probably doesn't go against our community guidelines, because if it did go against guidelines, it would have been cut just like that. Warp, warp, warp. Warp, warp, warp. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to have the sound effects. I'm going to have the Mario sound effects. When you're dead, that mega get. I'm going to be the thorn in your side right now. Yeah, waste man. And you look at followers, them we are yes man and yes girl, on our waste people. I'm going to tell you this. But don't realize, I'm not cursing with no kids. I'm just going to create content. The more I run off in the mouth, the more I'm going to create content, because content pays. Comments don't. Oh no, dad. I'm going to be a child right now. I'm a big man, but I'm going to be a child right now. You wanna close down my Instagram? That's weird, bro. That is weird. You are a weirdo. Next. Our technology isn't perfect, and we're constantly working to make it better. We understand that this decision may be frustrating for you. We are going to some voice note here now. Some more voice note. No. First, I play the voice note, not more voice note. The first voice note. Let's hear him officer right now, because alone bull crap.
So now anyhow me touch a bro, it just burn me in a fucking day. Brother, to them page I go down, brother. It just burn me out them, brother. I use them platform, brother. I make people think say, yo, brother, clan, I fuck with the pan dog, and I fuck with where I go on with. When we literally don't see nobody, bro. When I see none of them, brother. Brother, today your page I go down pussy. When I anyhow me touch a Florida pussy, I see it. Make sure you say you can chat saying I'm a face body boy, you did.
Well, I just two things. In the video before me, the video before that one. Didn't I show concrete evidence of your little goonies bragging and boasting about reporting World Dog page and Able Boss page? What do you mean Uno does over this and not trouble nobody? Uno is troubling people. You hard trouble people, you with the blood clot do no. Butty bitch fish, whole skirmish, drunk or vomit, dirty stinking boy, you locks them think you to come like Mac butty bitch fish. I want to youth. Hey boy, don't play with me youth. I want to youth. Bail youth before you get killed youth. Yeah, come talk about Florida. Youth, you know who hard runs Florida youth. Height, the minute you step on the plane, you step out of your lane. Know your blood clot the youth. Butty boy. I'm going to tell you something, youth. If any day me say, I'm going to name your food like you give me the knife and fork, youth. You understand me, I daily? Don't go on and come disrespect Negus, youth. Don't play with me, youth. You understand? Watch yourself. I'm there. But when you come to Florida, what you going to do? Talk in your face? Or talk in your face like a World Dog talk in your face about a good 5 minutes, you never do nothing about it. No man can't stand up in my face and chat in my face for so long. Dirty boy. You smell World Dog breath. You smell World Dog belly button. Man probably all belch in your face. You ain't do nothing about it. Spit a fly in your nose hole. You ain't do nothing about it. You waste man. Next blood clot thing right so. Where him say right so. Here him so stupid now. This dude is delusional. Watch ya.
Negus a batty man. He want fuck me. Negus and Worldfish want fuck me. Man Negus go fuck. And come and understand how some man can just see we over here start do our thing and enough of themselves in our thing and try to instigate. Man a batty man Negus, go fuck World Dog. Yo J-Mar brother, nobody now gonna report no page in our group unless me tell them to do it. And me not tell nobody to do nothing in our clan, bro. Me don't tell nobody to do nothing, brother. The man them did us a big pan with no them and make Uno look away, brother. Them a make uno look away and I make me look. Brother, nothing wrong if they make me look away, no, brother. Me a madman, no, brother. Me a confirm that to them, you know. Me a mad bumbuckler man in a youth. Me talk to myself and them thing there, you know. But you see when it come on to uno, brother, when I'm a family, brother, and uno support me the realest way, brother. I can't make no man make no look no way in this, brother. The fuck?
Brilliant. Brilliant theatrics. You are making yourself seem lower than your followers, so they will look at you even more high and mighty. Oh, them can say what them want about me, you know. Me a mad bumbo clot, man. Me glad say your blood clot never deny. Me glad say you admit it. Me glad say you admit it because when Prince Pine come and fix and say, yo, 1 minute him we say, yo, link up, and then next tomorrow him tell you for suck your mother. Everybody says that about you. I'm not the first one. You think I come out here looking for trouble? Bro, I create content. As I say, I talk about RJ, I talk about Baba J, I talk about Dino, I talk about World Dog. You are the only one to run off him out like big gal. I want man take it. No, all of them man that talk about have bigger blood clot platform than you. And none of them said we're going to report Negus page. None of them said that. But you are the only one. Then you make yourself, oh, you them can talk when them want to talk about me, you know, me a madman. But it's when it come to Uno, dog, when it come to Uno, because you still want them ride for you, bro. You're smart. You're a mad youth, but you're smart. You know how to control and manipulate people's minds. Oh, yo, when it comes to Uno, you know, Uno, yo, me don't want nobody to deal with Uno anyway, but you still tell one youth to go suck him mother because I tell her the right thing. You tell one another youth, say, yo, come out of the group. Couple of your friends, couple of the ones them where you kick out of the group, them come straight in and be DM and say, yo, dog, the man kick me out of the group just because me I tell him, say, yo, dog, him for bill, ray. Stop moving like you care about them people, bro. You don't care about none of them, bro. You are a manipulator. You're a user. You are a user. You are manipulating these children based off emotions. You're using the mental health card to garner people who feel sorry for you. And when people feel sorry for you, people will ride for you. People will give you an excuse. Oh, leave him alone, man. You don't know, say, you're so tavii sensitive and stay. Nah, man, grow up, bruh. And then you come over here, come talk about me a gal. Me a gal. No. I can take a joke. I can take criticism. The nigga you following can't do that. I don't care what you're talking about, bruh. I'm going to tell you this right now. Yo, when you can go on with the Instagram page. When you can go on with it. Go on with the TikTok too. I have almost 300,000 on TikTok. What want to talk about? Go on with the TikTok too. Go with it. I got a job in real life. I got a job in real life. I don't have to rely on promo. I don't have to rely on none of this shit, my nigga. What you talking about? What you talking about? Go get it deleted, bruh. Go delete it. I got a job in real life, you waste pathetic scum. Bright and blood clot feisty. See how people, you know? One of them clan member them I say, yo, easy yourself, dog. Cause me no see no man a report tavii page, bro. I just words, fam. Make them go and chat. Cause right now, uno I get too toxic for me. That is someone of sound mind. Telling uno say for easy, uno look a bumbuckler brief and baggy panty. Easy on self, man. And everybody gonna like uno, and everybody gonna have uno in high regards. You think everybody like me? You think everybody like me? And everybody like me? But what am I gonna do? I'm gonna cry in the corner and say, yo, nation, block and delete tavii page. I would never do that. I would never. As much as me and him, I agree with him still, bro. I'm not going to fucking tell nobody if you got delete tavii page. I don't want none of you to go over tavii page and click no report nor nothing. Even if my page get taken down, I don't want to go over there. Because at that I fit him food. At that I saw him eat. Even if he might eat. I don't know if he might eat. Because I be a picnic for you. Are you getting promos? Are you getting promos? Because be a local kids lunch money can't feed them in general. Bruh. I'm not even being shady or funny right now. I hope you find the help you need. You are mentally unstable. You are mentally unstable, and I wish and hope you find help very soon. You are spiraling out of control, and you're doing it right in front of Jamaica. You are too talented to be acting so stupid. You're acting like a waste man. You're acting like a man that cannot take criticism. You're acting like a man that cannot take jokes and banter. You are spiraling out of control in front of all of Jamaica. Stand up and be a man and dust off yourself, my lad, and come again, my G. You're too talented for this. Stop moving like a waste man. When people talk about you, yo, the dog talented, but I don't know where I'm going with him. I'm kind of, isn't me? I'm kind of rare. That's the first thing people say about you. You're talented. But, and you see, after that but there is nothing good after that. Fix up yourself and come, my lad. I don't know, say one nation and Imara nation. Yeah, I'm telling you this. Bring the hate, come. Bring it, come. I'm in a business. I'm going to be the thorn in your side. As so on the bad of me, I saw me go bad on you. The minute you don't do something to me, make a video. Comments don't pay. Content do. You don't know, say one nation and Imara nation. Up.